Hi, so I've posted some videos on YouTube recently of some loud noises in the area. There's been a lot of speculation as to what it is. There's been religion mentioned, there's been air forces, there's been natural occurrences mentioned, to name a few. And we've just had a news report on the local news of some loud booms heard last night in the Wiltshire area, which is just down the road from where I live. And I'm wondering whether this has all got to be maybe the same thing. I don't know. You decide. Anyway, here's the news report. Thank you for watching.
Not often we report on falling prices. No. Now, were you one of many people in Gloucestershire and Wiltshire that heard a loud boom coming from the skies last night? The noise was heard at Cotswold Airport near the village of Kemble at around 10 o'clock. Some say their entire houses shook. But the airport and the police say it was all part of an emergency services exercise.
So that was the news report. As I said, loud booms heard in the area close to where I live, Gloucestershire and Wiltshire. This was reported last night, which is would have been the 12th of January. Sounds like a cover-up to me, basically. It's too much of a coincidence that there's been loud booms and noises heard in this area for the past week or so. I mean, I don't know what it is, but I thought I would share this because it seems a bit current. And thanks for watching, thanks for all your comments, as always. And subscribe for more videos. Thanks very much. Bye.